check and unpack. Check whether the outer packing is in good condition. If the package is damaged, please take a picture and contact with the corresponding service engineer. After confirmation, unpack the package. Take out the upper fittings. Check the packing list. Make sure that there are at least 2 persons to lift the analyzer from the left and the right side. Put the hands on the moving marks when you lifting the analyzer. Don't lift the front cover of the analyzer as a lifting point. Please confirm the above precautions before installation. Open the light shield and unscrew the top screws. Unscrew the lower screw by hand. Remove the tape of the reagent bottle carrier. Open the screen cover. Cut off the cable, tie on the sampling probe assembly. Then remove 4 fixing plates of the sampling probe assembly and the grab hook arm. Remove the fixing plate of the Y-axis of the grab hook arm. Move the grab hook arm forward, then remove the fixing plate of the X-axis of the grab hook arm. Remove the fixing screw of the optical cup tray. Remove the fixing plates of the Y-axis and X-axis of the sample probe assembly. Move both assemblies up and down and back to front. Check to see if their movement is smooth. Move the sample probe inward to prevent accidental collision. Tear off the tapes of the reagent bottle carrier. Tear off the tapes of the waste cup container. Pull back and forth to check whether it is normal. Please connect the connector and sensor as shown. Put the other end into the waste tank and tighten it. Press down and open the circular cardboard on the upper side of the diluent box and open the diluent box. Install the diluent float sensor assembly in the diluent box. Check the grounding voltage if it is less than 5 volt before you install the analyzer. Please connect the power supply to the designated power connector. If the grounding voltage less than 5 volts, please connect the grounding cable with analyzer. Take out the gradienter and place on the magnetic bead testing area. Check whether the flatness of the gradienter is within 1 degree. If not, please adjust the height of the pedestal. There are 2 nuts in the pedestal. Loosen the top nut. The lower nut can be screwed to control the lifting of the analyzer. Screw to a certain height, turn the top nut counterclockwise to fix, then screw the lower nut to secure the pedestal. The bubbles of the gradienter need to be within 1 degree. Open the light shield and place the sample racks and cup trays without cup. Make sure that the relevant tube assemblies and cables are connected before starting out. Turn on the main power switch. Check whether the cooling indicator is on. The login interface will display in about 30 seconds. Log in for the first time as service account. Deselect All Start Process and click OK.